So if you hear a clicking sound during breastfeeding your baby, it means that your baby is breaking the suction. So when you're breastfeeding, of course, getting a good latch is the best thing to do to make sure that your baby is getting the right output from your breast, and that your milk has let down for them so that they're getting the milk that they need. Now, if your baby is popping on and off the breast or breaking the suction, they cannot get like a full feeding. So you want to make sure that if you hear that sound, that you readjust, so that maybe change positions or bring your baby in closer to you. You should not hear any sounds while you're breastfeeding your baby besides them swallowing, obviously. If it's quiet enough, nothing else is on to distract you and you can hear, you will hear them swallowing, but you shouldn't hear any clicking or any kind of like suckling noises where that they're not latched onto the breast. So again, bring them in closer to you. Make sure that you have the correct latch. Make sure that you're comfortable. Make sure that your baby's comfortable so that they're getting the milk that they need from your breast when you're